Hi, my name is Jalen, and I will be presenting my slide design project. I decided to use the Vera Bradley brand advertisements from their Be Colorful ad campaign. So the idea behind this campaign is that they're promoting the message of making your community, city, and world a brighter and colorful place. Just a little reminder to show your true colors. So we're going to take a deeper dive into the original ad and look at a few design principles that make this design appealing. So first we're going to start by looking at the design overall, and what I noticed when looking at this advertisement is the design principles of alignment and repetition. So with the alignment, they decided to not put it in the right corner, but in the left corner where it was more visible and appealing to someone who'd be looking at it. And they also centered the website at the bottom. And with repetition, they didn't just use the same, they didn't use different designs for their luggage. They used the same design for each piece of luggage, which is interesting, and it just gives that pop of color to the overall picture, which is nice. Now we're going to go on to look at the typography. In this ad, they used a sans serif font, which gives it an easy and simple look to the overall design. And it's nice because it's, easy to read. And I think that's what they were going for here. Now let's look at the colors. So the bright, colorful, and vibrant design of the bags, say to stay true to the Be Colorful tag, which I thought was really interesting because, if you really look at the design, they, picked out the colors from the luggage for their Be Colorful message, and I thought that was really nice. They also used white, which is, like a basic color, but it gives it that nice pop to, say, oh, this is our brand, this is our company. But it doesn't it makes it really nice to look at too. So now, going on to the updated ad, we'll take a look at it. So this is the ad I created. I'm right here. So some of the consistencies with the original ad is that I use the same logo. It's still visible, and I think, it still gives it that color, which is nice to look at. If it was the same as white, it would be less visible and more in the background and just there where you couldn't really see it, where this one is in the background, but you can still know that this is the brand. And with the color, I also did it where it would match the design of her clothing, just like the original that matched the luggage. So as you can tell right here, the Be Colorful, Be Yourself message is the same color as the design. Moving on, we'll go to our other consistencies. I also, chose this image, to match the original one with this, young woman who could be in college and, you know, fits the same demographic as the original. And also with the text, I decided to go simple and not like add a longer message, which matches the original image. So I did be yourself, you know, as this message, because I think, you know, when you be colorful, you're also being yourself. So I thought this really went well with the image, and the feel of the picture also gave that, you know, message. I thought gave this message across, you know, with her being comfortable in her pajamas and just being at home, being herself. So I think this new ad goes well with the original ad. And that is my project.